Hello everyone. We are doing occupant modeling workshops, and today we are going to do workshop 3, and that is, I think, page 15. And this is just an exercise. This is a one-page workshop and mainly meant for you to do everything. And I have said here that you have to go first in the 50th fast dummy directory in which we were working in workshop 2, and then you have to launch ls prepost and read in the same dummy file as released, sitting upright, looking behind. And then I've said perform all the operations listed, offset all IDs by 1,000,000, save an offset log file. Last time we did a renumbered log file. We are just doing an offset log file just to see what happens. The old and the new IDs will be recognizable in this case because we have offset by 1,000,000. And then you introduce pelvic angles of 180 degrees about Z first, and then minus 22.3 degrees about Y. And then give the H point coordinates which I've given. Give the following limb orientations like upper leg left and right, lower leg left and right, feet, arms, and so on, as I've listed. These are just small exercises. In this particular dummy, the left and right limbs have the same angles. But in other dummies, if the left limb has a positive angle, the right limb might have a negative angle. The main point here is that there is no law about it, and the matter is just as the developer of the dummy built it. So in this case, whoever built the original dummy used this principle, his own principle, and in some other dummy, people might follow a slightly different principle. And then I've said try to give the neck head a rotation of 10 degrees. And you can notice that some messages come up informing us that it cannot be rotated that much, and therefore the operation is abandoned. The angle remains what it was before. This happens because the stop angle of the neck is plus minus 7 degrees, and therefore we cannot go beyond it. And I've given you the following block for the neck stop angles. You can see minus 7 degrees plus 7 degrees about the local y-axis, I believe. And so the same principle holds for every limb orientation. They cannot be moved arbitrarily. They have stop angles, which we have discussed. So just to show you the deck and this last operation of the neck, I'm just doing it right here. We go down here, pick neck head, and then let's go a little bit at a time instead of 10 degrees right away. Say minus, it is going down, 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 minus 5, 6, and minus 7. And this is the maximum we can go. After this, it says here on the screen, stop angle reached, and also a message comes up here, stop angle reached, here, right at the bottom. So the messages are coming up down below, okay? So you cannot go beyond minus 7 degrees, and of course, if you go plus 7 degrees, 7, and then stop angles reached. So this is a very short exercise for you, which you can do by yourself. And with that, we will go to workshop 4.